How to fix skate error code 528614044. Hello friends, you might be facing the error message something went wrong. Error code 528614044. ID online error crossplay disabled unresolvable. Follow the steps to fix it. The first thing you can do is disable crossplay. Go to the in-game settings and disable crossplay if the setting is available. The next method you can follow is repair the game. Click on skate thumbnail. Here click on manage and select repair. The game will be repaired in some moments. Wait for that. Once repairing is completed, click on play and let the game load. Then try to play the game. If the issue still persists, then reset network. Click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands one line at one time separately. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste, enter. In the same way, run all these command lines. After running is completed, close the programs and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the error still occurs, then check the server status of the game. Go to the video description and click on the link to EA Games server status page. Scroll down. Here is a skate. It is online. If the game is offline, then wait for some time until it becomes online. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.